Hey guys, how are you? How is everyone doing? Today I'm in Abunakulah, found in Qatar, Abunakulah City. You can see guys behind me. It's quite hot outside here, but guys, I wanted to show you how this beautiful city looks like with its color. I want to take you around and you see the beautiful side of Qatar. This is a labor city. It's found deep in the desert, but when you arrive here, you'll feel the difference. You'll feel the beautiful environment here, though it is hot, but the community looks so beautiful. The facilities all are colored in different colors, as you see behind me. It's beautiful town. I want to turn back the back camera and you see how beautiful it is. Thank you guys for always supporting and watching me. Please keep subscribing and liking the videos. Hit the notification button to keep notified. I will show you every part of Qatar in these next episodes. You'll be enjoying. Okay guys, you can see how beautiful it is. You can see guys how beautiful this town is. You can see how amazing it is. It is painted in different colors: yellow, blue, red, gray. And this is it's like labor city where the workers, most of the foreigner workers lives. It is not easy, or it might not be possible to find a local or the real Qatari staying here. It's only the foreigners, the workers who come from other countries, and this is where they live. But the place is quite beautiful. It's not bad environment. It's quite beautiful. Many people doesn't know this place, or they don't know if it exists. But today you have got an opportunity to know the other side of Qatar. This is the labor city. The streets are all made. You can see all the buses parked outside. This takes workers to work and they bring them back. Free transportation. You can see these are all free accommodations. They are company accommodations. There is no one who rents by himself here. And another thing, this is only main accommodation. It's only main accommodation. It's not ladies. There's no. It's only main accommodation. It's quite beautiful. It's a beautiful town, as you can see guys behind me. The streets are all clear, all made clean and constructed well. It's a beautiful town. It's a beautiful town. You can see the people are moving around. It's early in the morning, around 10. But what I want to tell you is it is too hot. It is too hot outside. You can see guys, it's a beautiful town. It's a beautiful city. They painted it in different colors to make it look unique and to bring out the beauty of this city. You can see guys, it's a beautiful town. It's a beautiful city. Yeah. So this is a newly constructed town. It's not a long time. It has been here before, but most of the facilities are recently being built and they're still constructing more. It is hot. It is hot. I cannot even take a long video for you guys. And see the supermarket, the saloons, they're all available around. So all the services are being brought in here because this town is far from the city, far from the main towns. As I told you, it is found in the middle of nowhere. That's why they brought a lot of services. Most of the services are being brought near the people who are living here, so that there is the movement, like from here to town and coming back. It will be quite difficult for the people to move because there is no metro station around here and buses, free cheap buses. So the transport is quite too much to move from one place to another. You guys, you would think that I'm at the same point, but the only problem or the only thing is most of the buildings look alike. Most of the buildings look alike. You can see there is other newly constructed buildings, and all are going to be painted the same color. Are going to be painted the same color as you can see the completed ones. See the other one looks so amazing. That one looks so beautiful. Looks so amazing. You guys, I want to show you the beautiful side of Qatar, and of course the bad side. Yeah, I will be vlogging all over Qatar so that you can see things that you have never seen. Please guys, consider subscribing, liking and sharing so that we can build a beautiful community together. And I thank the returning viewers. Thank you for always coming back and liking our videos. Please continue sharing, liking and commenting, of course. When you comment, you recommend our videos to other people. Please keep commenting, keep subscribing, tell other people to subscribe so that we can get other people so quick. You can see guys, the streets are all beautiful, the buildings are all beautiful. I'm here sweating. I'm sweating a lot, moving around here. It's not easy. The temperature is around 30 something or 40 degrees Celsius. So it's not easy to move in this sun now. Beautiful building. See this one? Different colors all over. Different colors. It's quite beautiful. See this one? They're all beautiful buildings. And there is a farm over there. There is a farm. So whoever thinks that in the Middle East they don't do agriculture, I will take you one day there and you see how they do it. Though it is quite expensive to do farming here, but you have to, so that the country can be stable and survive. Cannot buy food forever from other countries, yet you can do it, and they have money, they can do it better, even more than other countries. I'm here enjoying this beauty alone, so I decided to share with you so that you can also see how beautiful this place is. I will leave for now, but I recommend you to come and visit this place. It is an open place, everyone can come and visit and enjoy this colored country. It's beautiful. Very clear and well maintained, clean. Yeah, okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting and hit that notification button to keep updated, to keep notified whenever we upload the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys, see you soon. So beautiful, and I've just showed you one part of the town. we meet in the next episode. We'll be seeing other places. Thank you very much.